Hey everybody, how you doing out there? This is Riff. I wanted to give you another follow-up on the Rlaarlo AK917. I finally did receive it, and I don't have a lot good to say about my experience with this company. Not at all, I'm afraid to say. This is not a full unboxing or anything like that. This is just a quick and dirty video to catch you guys up. The car itself is nice. It's okay. It comes in a very nice case. I don't really have a problem with their products as much as I do the company itself. Their products are not that bad. They're not great, but they're not bad. This is like a no-name company. I mean, it's a very nicely made car. I got the full carbon fiber one with all of the fancy stuff, the aluminum rims and caliper brakes and the fan and the carbon fiber body. It's very nice, but what happened was, I told you guys when I ordered it that at the time of my pre-order I paid for the shipping. It was $9.99 plus the price of the car, and then a few months goes by or whatever, and then they tell me that they can't send it. I gotta pay $25 more for the shipping, which I thought was insane because I had already paid for shipping. Well, kind of went back and forth a little bit. I sent them a letter and said, why do I have to pay this? I already paid for shipping. If anything comes up after that, I think you guys should eat the cost of that. And I got no reply. I waited, no reply. And then another one of my friends tells me the same thing happens to him. And then on and on, several more. Same thing happened to them. All of these people were in the States. And so some of us said, well, screw it, we'll cancel the damn things. Well, guess what? Rlaarlo was going to charge us a 10% cancellation fee. Well, in my case, that was $30. So that was more than what I would have had to pay to get the damn thing. I said, this is bullshit. So I just went ahead and paid the $25. Not happy about it at all because they were holding my damn car hostage, until I paid it. And they were going to get money out of me one way or the other. Cancellation or if I got it. Which I thought was total bullshit. And a very poor way, to introduce yourself to new customers. And, not happy about it at all. And what did I get for my trouble? You know how when they sent these out to the influencers in our hobby, they sent them the car. They did, the fancy engraving on the underside, to flatter everybody, and make them feel special. They gave them a whole bunch of extra spare parts, all kinds of stuff. What did we get for our trouble? Oh, I'm so sorry. They didn't even throw in a bag of extra parts. What kind of shit is that? I paid over $35 shipping on this piece of crap. And they don't even throw in, like, sorry for your trouble, here's some extra spare parts. Or something. Something just to, sorry for your trouble. Nothing. And then on top of that, you know, it takes like a month to get here. You know, but this is not my first rodeo. I buy cars from Asia all the time. And I've never been charged extra before. I've never had one that took so long. And frankly, I just think our Rlaarlo company as a company is a piece of crap. And I cannot, in any good conscience, recommend them to any of my viewers. I would say avoid them like the plague. You know, the product's okay. It's not special. You know, they're a no-name company. Their prices should be lower. I bought the 1/14th buggy a while back, and it had the carbon fiber body, and it was really good, you know, but also too expensive for what it was. And this is a nobody company. This company is no name. You know, they've got to prove themselves before they can start charging big bucks. And you know, I won't be ordering from anything from them again unless they make some serious changes in how they handle their customers, and they also need to lower their prices. Their prices are just borderline ridiculous for a company that no one's ever heard of with a ridiculous name. So, you know, the way they handled this whole thing, you know, making so many people pay extra and holding our cars hostage, and just the whole experience was bad. You know, if you're trying to make a name for yourself, you know, it should be all about customer service. And in this case, it was the other way around. It was all about, you know, it wasn't for the customer. It was all about them, you know, coming out on top, which is pretty pitiful in my opinion. And you know, and also I told you guys before, back when I ordered that little buggy, you know, that you know, they wanted me to buy it, and you know, and then they would reimburse me if I gave them a 5-star review. And I said that didn't sit well with me. I don't mind paying for it up front. That wouldn't be an issue. But the whole thing about, you know, they would reimburse me if I gave them a 5-star review, that bothered me. And some people didn't really believe me that they said that. And you know, because, you know, they didn't have that experience themselves. And that's fine, you know, but that was my experience, and I saved the email, and I'm going to put it in this video and show you guys. So that'll take care of that. But, you know, it's a shame. This company, you know, has potential. They could make some cool stuff. But they handled everything about this badly for a rollout. And I'm not happy about any of it. And the car itself isn't, like I said, it's nice. You know, it's nothing like super special. It's okay. But, you know, it depends on what you're going to do with it. The really hardcore speed guys really want a programmable ESC, and you can't do that on this. But, you know, there's always room for improvement with everybody, no matter what the company is. But like I said, I won't be ordering anything from them again. I don't recommend anybody buy anything from them until, you know, they straighten out their crap, because and treat customers like people, and instead of bank. And that's all I have to say about that so far. And also, I want to say hello and give a shout out to my friend Robbie. over at Bang for Your Buck RC. He's the newest one up there on the sticker wall right there. And it's long overdue. He sent me those stickers quite a while back. Sorry I didn't get it up sooner there, Robbie. But everybody please go check out his channel. He's a great guy, and he has really good stuff on his channel. And shows you all the stuff in the great budget end of the hobby. And I think it's awesome. But that's kind of where we sit with all this. And please don't mind the mess here. You know, I'm in the middle of this Kong head that I still haven't got finished because of my health problems, and I've got my background and stuff taken down temporarily, and everything's just kind of a shambles at the moment. But I did want to catch up with you guys and tell you what was going on and my opinions about our Rlaarlo and this the situation with this car. And I'll reiterate it again. I do not recommend them. I can't in good conscience do that. Their stuff is only okay. It's way overpriced. And, you know, I say avoid them like the plague until they start treating their customers better. So, thank you for watching, everybody. I'll post some pictures along with this video of some of the emails back and forth, etc. And thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care, everybody. Riff out.